Hi, I'm Astha.
I am Vani.
Myself, Abhay Mishra.
And I am Akshay.
Innovation isn't just survival, it's driving innovation. As Volkswagen embraces AI, we are steering the future of mobility. With this, we as a group are going to present the case study on Volkswagen Group adapting to the age of AI. In 2016, Volkswagen Group launched Together Strategy 2025, aiming to transform into a global leader in sustainable mobility amidst rapid industry changes. The strategy focused on innovation, particularly through artificial intelligence, to drive advancements in electric and autonomous vehicles and mobility solutions. However, Volkswagen faced significant challenges due to past emission standards and needed to adapt quickly to remain competitive.
The issue faced by the Volkswagen Group was that they were willing to rise under the Grow Together Strategy 2025 that seeks their position as a leader in sustainable mobility, that emphasizes on the technology and the innovation part. However, the company was not able to cope up with the cutting edge tools technology because of the defamation that was caused by the emission scandal. The emission scandal group impacted the reputation of Volkswagen Group, which led to the financial losses and regulatory fines. Along with it, it was difficult for the investors to invest in because this situation made it complicated for them and also to deploy new technologies in.
Let us discuss the background of the Volkswagen Group. It has grown into a global automotive leader by acquiring the brands such as Fiat, Skoda, Audi. Despite its strong market presence and financial performance, the company faced a major setback with 2015 emissions scandal, which exposed serious compliance issues and led to substantial financial losses. Parent organization overview. By 2018, Volkswagen operated in majorly two divisions: first, automotive, and second, financial services. It was the world's top-selling vehicle manufacturer with a diverse portfolio of brands and a strong presence in global markets. The emission scandal, however, had a severe impact on the company's financial performance and brand reputation. Key stakeholders include Volkswagen's management team, employees, consumers, regulatory bodies, etc.
Let's talk about the dilemmas of this case study. Volkswagen was at a crossroads, deciding whether to keep refining its current systems or take a leap forward, embracing AI and other cutting-edge technologies. This isn't just about numbers, it's about the potential risk and the immediate cost of innovating a new technology in an increasingly competitive market. Management needs to think about the costs and how employees will resist change, and how a new technology will affect the business operation in long-term benefits. They have to find a balance between quickly recovering from the emission scandal and pushing for innovation, a challenge that will shape the company's future.
As a solution for the dilemma, Volkswagen should integrate AI to its operations to support goals of Together 2025. It includes developing AI-driven programs for electrical and autonomous vehicles. Establishing AI research centers and fostering mobility in time is crucial. As a conclusion for the case study, so as we all know, the new world is all about AI. The AI is driving the world. As by adopting cutting-edge technologies and addressing operational efficiencies, Volkswagen aims to transform its business and achieve long-term success in rapidly evolving automotive landscape. This strategy highlights the importance of innovation and adaptability in maintaining a competitive edge. Thank you.